It's always very exciting to be at ADIPEC. At Emerson, we've been coming to ADIPEC since 2006, right? So it's always great to see the sheer number of people that come from all levels in the industry. There's always a buzz every day of the week. So we're very excited to be here. Our stand is showing some of the latest technologies that we're bringing to our customers. And day one has already passed and it's been a very busy day. We expect the next few days to be as busy with amazing conversations from all over the industry. So Boundless Automation is Emerson's vision on a holistic approach to automation. Today, we have data coming from so many sources, most of the time siloed within its own departments. But to unleash the power of AI and analytics, you need that data to be shareable and accessible and rich. So our approach to Boundless Automation is really to use the intelligent field devices to the edge and to the cloud to make intelligent decisions across all departments and platforms. And this is how our customers are going to be able to unleash the power of artificial intelligence. And sustainability is everyone's responsibility, right? So at Emerson, our sustainability framework has 3 pillars. We talk about greening by Emerson, greening with Emerson, and greening of Emerson. We understand that we have our own role to play in our own sustainability. So for example, our operations here in the UAE use 50% of solar power to operate our factories. So we have our own responsibility. We have the responsibility to work with our partners as well and push our partners to be more green and more sustainable. But also, most importantly, we have the technology and the expertise to help our customers become more sustainable in their operations using energy management systems, emission management systems, and looking at their decarbonization as well. So our technology can enable our customers to really operate more efficiently. There are so many across the world, right? Especially here around the Middle East and Africa. But one very obvious one is the Al Riyadh decarbonization plant here in the UAE. This plant operates using the Emerson control system, and we are very proud to be on that journey with the UAE. So non-intrusive technology is very important today because if you want to do things fast, you need to take existing setups and installations and add sensing on them to get intelligence from them. So the non-intrusive allows you to very quickly take a certain device, whether you're measuring corrosion or anything else, and just strap it on the asset and then see what's going on and feed that into the intelligent analytics that can tell you what's going on. So you deploy it easily, you deploy it fast, you get the data, you get the analytics, and you make intelligent decisions. Who wouldn't want that? Very early on in our presence in the Middle East, we understood that being close to the customer is a very essential thing. It was even before the in-country value program in the UAE was conceived, before even the ICTIVA program in Saudi was conceived. We understood that this is something we needed to do to our customers. So we've established our operations in the UAE, in Saudi Arabia, in Doha, with that in mind. So our factories, our in-country value investments here in the UAE are a testament that we wanted to give that commitment to those countries regardless of the programs. Now, the programs came and gave us a lot of value and a lot of support as well to enrich our presence and make us even stronger to serving the local customers and also supporting local talent as well. We collaborate with those companies day in, day out. Besides supplying them with the technology that they need to optimize their operation, or even help them engineer upcoming future projects, making sure they're born digital for when the time comes and they want to go autonomous or they want to go on with artificial intelligence. We do a lot with them as well on talent, upskilling of the workforce, And even we work with the ADNOC Technical Academy. We have an MOU with ATA to use their facilities and help them upskill technical skills of all of the employees that go through the academy. So we do it on so many different fronts. We have to evolve with the industry, and as a technology company, we probably need to anticipate ahead of what the industry is going, because we need to develop technology that's going to be ready for them when they are ready to evolve into something new. Emerson prides itself for innovation. Our research and development teams are always looking ahead of the game to come up with technology that's going to make everything simpler, faster, more efficient, and better operation for our customers. And this is our goal. Innovation is in our DNA, and we continue to do that. All the projects we can help with, we're looking forward to. We really appreciate this part of the world because there is a tremendous investment and progress into transformation, into the energy transformation route. And we know we can play a very big part in helping our customer through this transition fast and efficiently, and of course with return on investments. So project certainty is what we talk about, and it's basically 3 ways we really help our customers through that journey. Digital twin, or pre-feed digital twin, it is a technology that allows you to simulate certain scenarios that help you engineer before you actually have to build the actual plant. And this is a great tool for optimizing the engineering side of things. But also you have the footprint reduction. So we have technology that allows our customers to have fewer cabling, for example. All that footprint reduction can save them so much money. But then even on top of that, when they come to execute the project, the commissioning side, the installation side, if they can reduce that schedule, they're also being more efficient and saving more money. So we have also technology that if it's deployed, it can reduce their schedule time even further. So all of that put together, you end up with an amazing project management situation that really saves money and gets things done faster. The energy transition is going to be the most interesting piece that the Middle East is going to go through. We are a very energy-rich part of the world, but also what we're going to be seeing is a great move towards diverse industries. We see the UAE really looking at diversifying, whether it's factory automation, whether it's automotive, whether it's biofuels, whether it's pharmaceuticals. All this we're going to see starting to come into this part of the world and complement the industries that are existing here. So it's a very exciting time for, I think, any automation technology provider, because it's really growth here in this part of the world.